I'm Simon, your digital enabler here with Schaerer Coffee Link. As soon as you know where the potential for your coffee business lies, we can start to optimize it across all of your locations. Say, for instance, you wanted to set up a coffee drink for winter. Our bi-directional graphical capabilities allow limited time offers to be sent across your entire fleet of coffee machines. Time to get going just now, though. Time to get optimizing. Let's look at exporting data, for example. In the future, all you will need is the touch of a button to generate the perfect basis for price models, like pay per cup, saving you resources, saving time, and preventing mistakes. Now, imagine integrating that data into your own system automatically through an interface. A dream, right? There's nothing worse than downtime, especially when it's a problem that you could have avoided. That's why Schaerer Coffee Link sends you emails letting you know what work needs to be done. So you can refill the beans or milk, or get the cleaning process started. So there won't be any disasters the next day. And as usual, you can find all the information you need on our website or through your representative.